What is the Eat Well Guide? It's a guide that shows the proportions in which different types of foods are needed to have a well balanced and healthy diet. Who is the Eat Well Guide intended for? The Eat Well Guide appeals to most people regardless of weight, dietary restrictions, preference of ethnic origin. However, it doesn't apply to children under 2 because they have different nutrition needs. What are the groups the Eat Well Guide is divided in? The groups are fruits and vegetables, carbohydrates, oil and spreaders, proteins, dairy and alternatives. When is used the Eat Well Guide? You can use the Eat Well Guide to help you make healthier choices whenever you're deciding what to eat, at home cooking, or shopping for groceries, opting up in a restaurant, cafe, or caffeine, choosing food on the road. Aim to fill your trolley with a healthy balance on different types of food. What are the specific recommendations for each group? Eat at least 5 portions of a variety of fruit and vegetables every day. Fruit and veg should make with just over a third of the food we eat each day. Starchy food is a really important part of a healthy diet and should make up just over a third of the food we eat. Buys meats of potatoes, bread, rice, pasta, or other starchy carbohydrates, choosing water versions where possible. Have some dairy or dairy alternatives such as soya drinks, choosing lower fat and lower sugar options. Choose lower fat and lower sugar options. Eat more beers and pulse 2 portions of sustainably sourced fish per week. Eat some bean, pulse fish eats, meat and other proteins, including 2 portions of fish every week, of which should be oily. Choose unsaturated oils and use it in small amounts. Drink 6 to 8 cups glass of fluid a day. What about daily hydrations? Aim to drink 6 to 8 glasses of fluid every day. Water, lower fat milk, and sugar-free drinks, including tea and coffee, all count. Fruit juice and smoothie oils constitute your fluid consumption, although they are absorption of free sugars, and so should limit consumption to no more than a combined total of 100 milliliters per day. What about food labeling? Lots of pre-packaged foods have a food label on the front page which shows the nutrition information per serve. They also reference intake will tell you how much of each nutrition should be included in the diet. The person's reference to the contribute that the product makes to the reference intake for each nutrient. Use it to food label to help you choose foods lower in sugar. How many calories per day a person over 11 years old needs. A male person over 11 years old needs 2,500 calories per day. A female person over 11 years old needs 2,000 calories per day.